Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I want to show you a nice renovated apartment. We are today located on Playa del Cura, as you see. The beach is full, it's 35 degrees and we are 500 meters from the apartment right now. So now I'm going to show you the apartment with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Totally renovated. As you see, there is a nice spacious hall coming in. But it's really nice because most Spanish apartments don't have it. On the right side, we have this bathroom. And now we are entering to the open living space with an open kitchen plan that has everything what you need to enjoy your nice vacation or living here in Costa Blanca, South Torrevieja. The total square meters of this apartment are 59 square meters. We have a balcony and air conditioning, but first we have 2 bedrooms. So on this side we have 1 bedroom, and we have another bedroom that is also nice, well done, nice light coming in, fitted wardrobes. We are 500 meters from the beach Playa del Cura. And I'm going to show you that we are in a nice quiet location of Torrevieja. Nice Spanish, as you see. And the total price of this nice renovated apartment, that is 164,900. So if you want to have more information about this nice apartment, please contact me on the number below, and who knows, I see you the next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.